What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at unboxing this aroma diffuser that you can get on Amazon. Link in the description. Let's go ahead and unbox now. All right, so now once we've got it out of the box, open it up, and you see you have this little plastic bucket here. Pull that out, go ahead and disregard, and here is your power unit right here. Right here you can see it does have Smart Aroma Diffuser user manual, so this is a smart home device. Let's go ahead and talk about that more in detail. Alright, so because this thing has the power cord and the connector on the bottom, you're going to actually plug it in before you actually put water and the essential oils in there. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I've got it plugged in now. I'm going to connect it here. Alright, you can hear it powering on. You can also take that and wrap it back up if you guys want to get the wire out of the way. But now, what we're going to do is go over here to the sink, fill it up to about 150 milliliters or 250 milliliters, depending on how much drops we want to put in. But let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so I'm actually going to fill it up to 120 milliliters. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. There we go, 120 milliliters. And we do have an assortment of different essential oils here. We've got peppermint, lavender, and immunity. I'm going to be using the immunity, and I'm actually going to put about 4 drops in here. So let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And I'm going to use the opposite side of this brush to just kind of stir it around. I know it's going to bubble and whatnot, but just going to stir it here. You don't want to put too many drops in there, because if you put too many drops, it could actually clog your unit. That's why you also need to have this brush to clean it. So now we'll come back over here to the actual diffuser and put the 4 drops and water in the diffuser. I can already smell it. So they say to line up this line with the actual buttons. So I'll show you how that looks. There's the buttons there. So this thing is also Wi-Fi, which I'm going to show you the app and the setup here now. Yeah, so when you're trying to hook up to the actual Wi-Fi, you're going to make sure the blinking light here is going. That's how you know that the Wi-Fi is enabled and ready to go to connect to the Tuya Smart App. And it does take a little while to scan for devices. Alright, so this is the Tuya app that you download in the pamphlet. It tells you which one you need to get, and you set it up as a device in the Tuya app here, and you could change the colors. You can also set timers. So it's pretty cool having a smart home diffuser in your house. Makes it more convenient to be able to control that kind of setting. So hope you guys have it easy with this app. As you can see here, you guys can set the schedule with the timer here to spray. You can even change the light timer. So pretty good functionality for a $40 smart aroma diffuser. And you could see it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, a few other third-party controls. Alright, so as you can see, this is working really good here. We will put a link in the description here to this particular air aroma diffuser. If you guys have any other questions, drop a comment below. Hope this works out for you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one here on Urban J Reviews.